Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox not disconnect after 20 minutes. Many players experience being kicked from their game sessions after around 20 minutes, and this is typically due to an inactivity timeout. Roblox implements this feature to help manage server load and ensure that players are actively engaged. Knowing this is crucial for keeping your game running smoothly without interruptions. The absolute best and only way to prevent these 20-minute disconnections is to maintain consistent activity within your game. This doesn't mean you need to be constantly battling or building. Even small actions like moving your character a few steps, typing a message in chat, or interacting with an in-game item will register as activity. Just a little input every few minutes can keep you connected indefinitely. To help you stay active, especially if you need a short break, consider some practical strategies. In some games, using a simple auto-clicker for a non-disruptive action or a basic macro to move your character slightly can be effective. Alternatively, engage in game activities that naturally require periodic input, like resource gathering or crafting. If you must step away, set a quick reminder to return and move your character for a few seconds. While staying active is the main solution, it's also important to consider your network stability. Sometimes, even if you're active, a shaky internet connection with frequent lag spikes or brief dropouts can make it seem like you're inactive to the Roblox servers. For the best experience, ensure your Wi-Fi signal is strong and consistent, or even better, use a wired Ethernet connection for maximum reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.